Go Rain Rain, go Rain Rain. Ooh, ooh. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and the lovely Yes, this is my Princess Rain Rain, and it's a Father's Day edition, so I had to have a beautiful, sorry about all that, a beautiful girl in the video. I love you so much, Rain.
I love you too.
Oh, you were the reason why ever to celebrate Father's Day. It was all because of you. Stand up so they can see you. And little man's inside, so, you know, that's what it is. But anyway, we are using this day, using this time together to plant some new plants. Woo, 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 woo. So, in this video, we're going to plant some beans. I have purple beans, I have yellow beans, and I have green beans. I also have pepper plants. Bell pepper, jalapeno pepper, habanero pepper, and sweet peppers, okay, that I picked up from the local nursery. And then I think that is it. We have some eggplant that we're going to plant that actually hasn't sprouted yet, but I feel like if it's in its environment, it'll do what it needs to do. You ready to go in the backyard? Okay, see, this is what fatherhood is all about. You have to adapt and adjust, okay? Because the kids do what they want to do, and you have to do accordingly, all right? Backyard? Let's go to the backyard! Come out to the back and you build some proper seating. You have your family come out here with you. So, of course, we have the lovely Crystal. We got Ricky, man. Ricky. Don't go over there playing that. Well, you can go over there. You're big enough. This is my son, Ricky the third. Say, hey, man. We'll brush your hair later. Then we got Rain Rain. Everybody knows Rain Rain. Put the shirt down, big girl. Put the shirt down.
Okay.
Woo, woo. Go, Ricky. Go. Go, Ricky. Go, Ricky. Go. Go, Ricky. Go Rain Rain, go Rain Rain. Ooh, ooh, yeah. So what you just saw is the dance break. That is how it goes down in the Jones family, Jones residence. Anyhow, anyway, this one, I'm gonna go ahead and plant everything in this raised bed. Okay, so what I will have in here is eggplant on one row. I have a row of beans. Then I have a row of peppers. And then I'll have a row of beans. So, 2 rows of beans, row of pepper, row of eggplant will be what goes into this raised bed, which I'm so happy about. It's next to the struggling broccoli raised bed. But anyway, I'm just doing what I have to do because, hey, maybe I'll change that out one day and do some other stuff in there. But anyway, in the time being, let me go ahead and plant what I'm planting in here. I'll let you know what it is as it goes down. And yeah, we'll just have some fun. Tomatoes are doing good. So I will start off planting the eggplant. Start it off here, and remember I have the long ones and the short ones as far as how, you know, the eggplants looks or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and plant short, long, short, long. Hopefully they don't take too long. Now I'm going to plant my beans. I have in the egg carton that I've started my beans with. The purple actually shot up pretty well, pretty fast, and also the yellow ones as well. So I'm going to go ahead and plant those in the ground with the proper spacing in between. So I have my eggplant. Now I'm going to do my beans, and then I do my peppers, and then more beans, okay? So let's go ahead and do the peppers. Excuse me, beans. Now I'm about to plant my pepper plants into the garden with Ricky's interruption. All right. Alright, so I have 3 types of pepper plants that I'm actually going to plant. The first one is a habanero pepper. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and plant my bell pepper. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so after a good planting comes the need for a good watering, which is the favorite part. Something that I really don't get to do as much here lately because it's been raining a lot here in Florida. So I'm gonna go ahead and water my plants. Y'all know, nice, soft and easy. Don't wanna hurt anything. Remember, everything is pretty new out in this area. So, you know, be gentle, be nice. And you see something interesting going on in the bed, hopefully you do. If not, I'll tell you what my ideas and plans are with that situation. Again, trying something new as this whole situation is. My corn, I'm gonna have to go and get some bamboo sticks to go ahead and prop those corn up, because right now the rain is taking its toll, obviously, on the corn itself, which is why it's falling over the way it's falling over. But nonetheless, let me just go ahead and give a nice watering to what's going on in this area. And then I'm gonna go ahead and water this area because I'm gonna plant some watermelon here, some honeydew here, and watermelon there. And I'm gonna get that trash out. Don't worry about it. And I'm still trying to figure out what that pink plant is. So if you know what it is, please let me know. All right, so let me give my sweet potatoes some water as well. They are growing lovely. You all see the vines growing up there. Nice and beautiful. I have to come out there. I've been coming out twice a week, like I said I would, but I've been coming out, making sure it goes up in its cage area the way I want it to and things like that. So it's coming along very well, I must say. So now let me explain what I have going on here. So here, I just thought about it. I gave it a try as far as the seeds growing in the garage next to the window. I did a video on that, and they weren't really growing the way I wanted them to grow. So I put them outside, and lo and behold, they sprouted up. Like, it was like within a day or two, the beans just sprouted up. So I realized outside is best for seeds turning into seedlings, which ultimately you will plant, which I just did. So what I did now is just took the next step. I have obviously the space to put the egg carton. I have egg carton here, and I have the biodegradable carton situation in that one, which if the seedlings grow up, I'll just take them out. I can actually cut around the borders and then just plant it. Just that easy to do those things. I got them from Amazon. I'll put a link below if you're curious as to purchasing them for yourself. But anyway, that is the idea. I will keep you all posted on how that turns out, how that actually works out, and see if it is something that you may or may not want to do yourself, because obviously the garage wasn't working out for me and for my favor. I don't know if it is for you or whatever, you know, growing area that you use for your seeds turning into seedlings, but I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna just put them ultimately where they will end up inevitably, okay? If they grow here, obviously they'll reap me a harvest here. So they are there, that is where they will be. Hopefully they grow, mature, and all that good stuff as they should. It's coming around the end of the day, which, you know, is good because I water them. They can just soak in the water, wake up nice and refreshed. I'll come out here, lightly water them again, and give them a little plant food, and we'll be good to go, ladies and gentlemen. That is all it takes, okay? All right, so again, for all the fathers out there, enjoy your day. Happy Father's Day. Make the most of it. I mean, you have lovely kids, I'm sure you do. So spend some time with them. Find some time to play with them and things like that, because they are great and they need you. You, Father, are vital to the growth of their future and the stability of their present, okay? All right. Well, I love you all and I thank you. And here is an addition to my raised bed. I have not given up on my garden, y'all. I am focused. I'm determined. I am ready and getting ready for the winter season, where I'm gonna do collard greens, kale, all my cabbages and greens. Like, this is the stuff that I'm really looking forward to. So I'm learning how to do things now, so that when that day comes, it's gonna be epic. All right. All right, y'all. I love you. You know, I hate to let you go. So I'm trying to find other stuff to say. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of your way until the next day we come again here for another Green Thumb edition. All right. I love you all. Peace.